Ooh, getting all ninja in this house. Hey everyone, my name is DJ Temple. I play in Without Mercy, and today I'm going to show you the 3 essential sweep picking shapes. First one's going to be an A minor, okay? Now what that is an A minor chord that looks like that. An arpeggio is just a chord played one note at a time. I'm simply going to show you to do it a little cooler. So I got my pinkies on 12 and my first finger rests on 8. This is both on the high E string. Check this out. I like to rock a little pull off there. So I'm going to go up, pull off, up, pull off. My middle finger rocks 10 on the B string. That's going to be another upstroke. And then my first finger rocks 9 on the G string. Yet again, another upstroke. Looks like this. Up, pull off, up, up. If you notice, I'm counting out or shouting out my pick strokes as I go. It's the best way I know to learn, and a rapid way, guys. Up, pull off, up, up. Then I got to come back, so I'm going to go down, down. When this pinky hits, we're starting her over again. Up, pull off, up, up, down, down. Add a little volume, make yourself feel good. Let's move on. Here's a 5-string shape, guys. Starts with the 3. We're just going to add 2 strings to it. So again, up, pull off, up, up. Now I got this as an upstroke, so my middle finger rocks the 10. And then A string, which is my final note here, I'm going to rock with the pinky finger. Up, pull off, up, 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 up. Typically, this is where most teachers would say, let's start going backwards. But as you can see by my face and general well-kept being, I am not like general teachers. So here we go. We're going to add a note to it. It's up, pull off, up, 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 up. My first finger is going to reach back here to 7, also on the A string. I'm going to kill that with a downstroke. Try your best to get the stretch. Oh, that will benefit you so much. Don't shift if you can avoid it. Get the stretch. We call that expansion if you want to sound smart. Adjust your monocle. Feel good about yourself. Up, pull off, up, 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 down, up. Up, pull off, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 down. Start it over with that pinky, just like we did with the 3s. Up, pull off, up, 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 down, 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 down. Notice my hand is going to be super relaxed and just drags across the strings. Here's the next one. It's another 5-string in a new position. I'm going to start here with this note here, because this is an A. 12th fret of the A string is an A. I'm going to hammer on to 15, and then I go here, 14, in a finger roll situation. I'm going to over-exaggerate that finger roll situation. Looks like this. Tip of my finger, and then I flatten out to get the pad. These are both downstrokes, by the way. You really want to avoid barring it. Single notes, single notes. So 12. Hammer on to 15, down, down, down. There's a 13 with my middle finger. 12, reach all the way up to this high 17, which is going to give you another A. Kill that with an upstroke. Boom. Down, hammer on, down, 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 up at the end. Now you may find that as you go a little bit faster, you'll alternate pick that. That's okay. Down, up, down, 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 up. This is what it sounds like with a little volume and a little obnoxious. So what I like to do is usually a 3-string, come all the way down, hit my reach back, slide in, and do that 3rd and final shape. Check this out, guys. Here's a fancy one for you. As I come down this 5-string, I'm going to do a finger switch. Check it. Ooh, getting all ninja in this house. This is a quick video showing you the essential sweep picking shapes, my friends. Head on over to Guitario.com. Have a lot of fun, guys.